Psalm 27 verse 1, The Lord is my light and my salvation, whom shall I fear? The Lord is the stronghold of my life, of whom shall I be afraid? John 8 verse 12, When Jesus spoke again to the people, he said, I am the light of the world. Whoever follows me will never walk in darkness, but will have the light of life. Isaiah 9 verse 2, The people walking in darkness have seen a great light. On those living in the land of deep darkness a light has dawned. Psalm 119 verse 105, Your word is a lamp to my feet and a light to my path. 2 Corinthians 4 verse 6, For God, who said, Let light shine out of darkness, made his light shine in our hearts to give us the light of the knowledge of God's glory displayed in the face of Christ. Matthew 5 verses 14 to 16, You are the light of the world. A town built on a hill cannot be hidden. Neither do people light a lamp and put it under a bowl. Instead, they put it on its stand, and it gives light to everyone in the house. Psalm 36 verse 9, For with you is the fountain of life, in your light we see light. Isaiah 42 verse 16, I will lead the blind by ways they have not known, along unfamiliar paths I will guide them. I will turn the darkness into light before them and make the rough places smooth. Ephesians 5 verse 8, For you were once darkness, but now you are light in the Lord. Live as children of light. John 1 verse 5, The light shines in the darkness, and the darkness has not overcome it. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time. God bless you.